Hey, today we have the Timex Expedition, and we have this black sports band. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to put the vessel right on the strap like this. Alright, so here are the two pieces that come with it. These are the springs. Okay, so we're going to use this tool right here. Hopefully this is all we'll need to get the strap on the vessel. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see how we do this. So you can see the holes for it are right in here. So let's start off with this bottom part first. And we just want to go underneath. Okay, so we got the first part in. Now here's the tricky part. Just trying to push this in here. Okay, so that was actually pretty easy to do. I thought I was going to have a little bit more of a struggle, but it's on there, as you can see. It's not going anywhere. Alright, let's hope that this second part goes on this easy. Let's try it out. Okay, so we just find the hole here. Make sure you got this on it. Oh. Okay. So there it is. We have successfully put the sports strap back on the Timex Expedition. Now, the way this goes on your wrist, just like this. Okay, once we have that part in, we're just going to feed it through here. And it is a Velcro strap, so then you can just adjust it to however you need. Like to keep it a little bit loose so it's not super tight. And there it is. That's what it looks like once you have it all. Alright, just for reference, so you can see the size. That's a 1/4. And you can see the size difference right there.